The Xfinity Error Code NW-2-5 means your device is having trouble connecting to Netflix. It's a network connectivity problem, often related to DNS issues or your internet service provider, Xfinity. This error disrupts the connection between Netflix's servers and your device, preventing you from streaming. About 12 to 15% of Netflix users on Xfinity experience this, especially during peak hours. Start with the basics. Completely power down your streaming device and your Xfinity modem router. Wait 30 seconds, then power them back on. Ensure all cables, including Ethernet if applicable, are securely connected. This simple restart often resolves temporary glitches, causing the NW-2-5 error. Xfinity's default DNS servers can sometimes be unreliable. Change your device's DNS settings to use public DNS servers like Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare's 1.1.11 and 1.1.1. This bypasses Xfinity's DNS and can improve connection stability. Google Public DNS uses 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Cloudflare DNS uses 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. This setup helps route traffic more reliably. Instructions for changing DNS vary by device. Search online for your specific device model. Your device stores DNS information, and sometimes this cached data becomes corrupted. Flushing the DNS cache clears this old information. The process differs by device. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig flush DNS. On other devices, you may need to restart the network connection or consult the device's manual. Check your internet speed using a speed test website to ensure you're getting the speeds you pay for from Xfinity. If speeds are significantly lower than expected, contact Xfinity support. Test Netflix on other devices on your network. If the error occurs on all devices, the problem is likely with your internet connection or Xfinity's service. Advanced troubleshooting for the NW-2-5 error includes updating your router's firmware and minimizing wireless interference. Ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause network issues, including connection problems that lead to the NW-2-5 error. Visit your router manufacturer's website to download the latest firmware and follow their installation instructions. Minimize wireless interference to improve network stability. Keep your router away from other electronic devices that can cause signal interference. Avoid placing it behind thick walls that block Wi-Fi signals. Additionally, try switching to a different Wi-Fi channel in your router settings to avoid crowded frequencies. When switching Wi-Fi channels, consider the available frequency bands. The 2.4 GHz band has 11 channels, while the 5 GHz band offers more channels with less interference. Use your router's admin panel to scan and select a less crowded channel. If the troubleshooting steps we've covered so far don't resolve the NW-2-5 error, it's time to contact Xfinity support. Be sure to explain that you're experiencing the NW-2-5 error code specifically on Netflix, and that you've already attempted the basic troubleshooting steps. Xfinity support can then check for any outages in your area or identify potential problems with your account or equipment. In some cases, ISP-level DNS hijacking can cause this issue, which requires their direct intervention to resolve. Looking ahead, the future involves AI-driven diagnostics that will predict and automatically fix errors like NW-2-5. Better peering agreements between Netflix and ISPs will also help reduce connectivity issues. To avoid NW-2-5 in the meantime, consider upgrading to a router with DNS over HTTPS support for more secure and stable connections. Stay informed about network updates from Xfinity to prevent potential issues. Finally, the shift to IPv6 and quantum-resistant DNS protocols promises to reduce these errors long-term. These advancements promise a more reliable streaming experience for Netflix users on Xfinity.